In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue of the Weverse verification code not being received when trying to sign up or log in. First, double check your contact information to make sure your phone number or email address is correct, including the country code for the phone numbers. If you requested the code via email, check your spam or junk folder. You can also tap recent code after waiting a few minutes. Next up, make sure you have stable internet connection, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. If you're using SMS, ensure your phone is not blocking unknown numbers and that Do Not Disturb is turned off. Next, try clearing the app cache. For that, you'll need to navigate to the option Settings. Head over to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Weverse and click on Upload. Then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for the app. If the code still does not come through, try switching between SMS and email verification. Sometimes delays happen, so wait 10 to 15 minutes and try again. And if nothing works, contact Weverse support for the further help. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.